Yo, it really felt the world had ended. Back then, miserable days, then happy ones. But I'm still holding on, hoping this will pass. In the end, all of it will pass. Please, please, don't give up. Don't give up. Life is pure, beautiful. Don't give up. Keep, keep pushing forward. Do it hard, do it sad, do it heartbroken, do it with pain, do it broke. Keep showing up until one day all of your dreams happens because you keep do it no matter what, how you feel, how the situation happens, still do it. Do it alone. Go for it. Do you really want it? Do you badly want it? Do it.